Hello, everyone. I have created simple website AI chatbot in Google Sheets with web apps. To be able to work, you should get an OpenRouter API key, and it will activate OpenEye for OMini. You can find the template in the link below. Let me copy into Google Drive to demonstrate it as an example. Here is one example. You can delete it. This tab shows all the conversations from public users. In the top navigation bar, you'll find the settings menu. Let's start with requirements. If you open for the first time, you will get the authorization required for the script to run. Clicking on a requirement, it opens a modal form where you can record your requirements for the user. You can also adjust these requirements anytime to fit your needs. Those are some example requirements. You can simply delete and add your requirements. The second link fallback, open the modal for the chatbot responses. The third link, Help Buttons, includes the buttons shown when the chat opens. This gives users simple choices to pick from right at the start. To get the chat working, you'll need to add an API key from OpenRouter. You can do this in the fourth link. It gives also quick details and links to connect with the OpenRouter. To create a new API key, click on the blue button. It will create a unique API key. You should copy it and paste it into Google Sheets. And the last menu in the settings is a widget code that you can use for your website. The deployed link should be removed and add your deployed web app link. Here is the embed code that you can use with your deployed web app link, and the chat will appear in your website. To create your web app link, you need to go to Navigation Menu Extensions and App Script. Next, click at the top right button Deployed, then New Deployment. Make sure that you have selected Web App. Open the generated link. Here you have the chatbot created with your API key. There are help buttons that are already created for this example. If you want to update or delete, go to Settings and Link Help button. By adding new help buttons, it will automatically appear in the chat. Buttons are useful if you want to give clients quick options for fast responses. If the user refreshes a page, the chat will reset and start as a new conversation. However, the correspondence will still be recorded in the rows in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.